What's up, guys? At the grocery store, grabbed a new soda. My mouth is so damn dry. Almost getting hit by a car here. My mouth is so dry I have to have this right this second. It's the only liquid I bought. So zero sugar, tropical flavored 7-Up. Interesting. All right, well, we're gonna try it on the way back to the vehicle. One hand open. That's not easy. All right, bottoms up. Wow. That is refreshing and wet, which helped my dry mouth. That's really, really good. It does have tropical flavor. You know what's really forward on this one, which is interesting, is mango. This tastes heavily, I mean, I taste the pineapple, I taste coconut, but like right up front is mango. So that's a little bit different. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Wow. All right, so yeah, I mean, thumbs up. Here's the truck. Next to another truck. All right, I guess that's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Let me know if you tried this one. But I definitely approve. They didn't have this in a bottle. They had the zero in cases. There was no sale. It killed me to buy this not on sale, but there was 2 cases left. I'm like, let me just grab this while I can. $10 and change. $10 and change for a 12-pack. I will never do that again. It kills me. That's way too expensive for any drink, unless there's alcohol in it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. But I definitely highly recommend it if you like the, you know, the tropical fruitiness stuff, but totally mango. It's interesting because in the picture, it looks like an apple. I mean, it's an orange fruit, but it has a stem and a leaf on it like an apple. I don't know why. And then a slice of it. That kind of looks like mango. I don't know. I have no idea why they use that image, but it's definitely mango forward, which is actually, it's good. I really like it. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.